What's good, it's Randall. We're out in Houston this Sunday Fun Day. I'm with my man Explosive Cat at the Texas Speed Syndicate Quick 30 event. My man has a 1,000 horsepower Hellcat. He's gonna be running the quarter mile, trying to get in the 8-second range. And so, you know, they're out here getting the tune right, you know, getting the car prepped and ready to go. Bailey's High Performance up in Dallas, Texas did a bunch of mods to the car, and so I'm gonna show you kind of what's been done to the car to get it to where it's at right now. We're definitely gonna try and get a run on camera, and we're gonna see if we can get his goal of getting into the 8s. So Explosive Cat to the moon, let's do it. This is my man Explosive Cat. It's gonna be over 1,000 horsepower Hellcat. As you can see, it's still on air suspension. He has an AccuAir Endo VT tank tucked back there, dual via compressors. So this is a bagged car, bagged race car. Like I say, it's show and go. It's pretty easy to see. He has a parachute right here. This is a parachute mount, and so, you know, if the braking system fails, he does have a fail safe there to get the car to slow down before you get to the end of the track. You know, we still have the carbon fiber, the dual or quad tip exhaust carbon fiber diffuser, as well as custom carbon fiber stripes. You know, something you don't see every day. But yeah, my man's in kill mode today. Wheel racing, 15-inch wheels. You know, the car is wrapped, all that cool stuff. And so, you know, you probably seen this car on the Mod FX channel as well, but and a couple of other ones. But you know, we pretty much went all the way through with this car. And so you have the diamond plate interior, you know, the door panels. So as you can see, we have the double stitched interior panels, you know, still going with the green carbon fiber, the green and carbon fiber theme. You know, we have the custom seat belts in here with the carbon fiber green, black. And so pretty much the car is themed all the way through with the same pattern, you know, carbon fiber, green. You got a little Alcantara on the steering wheel right here, but still green and carbon fiber. You know, it's all about the details. This car is on air suspension. You see the AccuAir keypad here, you know, custom shifter knob. But this is the parachute mount, so if anything happens, you pull the parachute and it will pop out for him. And so pretty cool. You don't see this every day. And to get the car down into the 8s, you do have to do weight reduction. So my man has his seats out. You know, we can see all the way through the trunk, and so it's pretty much gutted out. So you just got to be dedicated when you want to go fast. You know, on the Hellcat, he got rid of the 6-piston brakes in the front, and so the brakes are smaller. The brakes got smaller, but the supercharger got bigger, and so he has a Magnuson supercharger on here, and everything in this engine bay is done up. You know, Bailey's did a real good job on this one. We're talking, you know, everything's powder coated, painted, and you have the valve covers in here. You have the throttle body's black. You know, you have the coolant tank is black. You know, you have the catch can is two-tone, and so, you know, everything in the car has been touched on the inside. Everything in the engine bay has been touched at this point, all the way down to the engine block. So it's pretty cool to see, you know, how these cars come together, how the attention to detail kind of gives it a step above the rest of the builds you're gonna see. You know, even the lines are wrapped where they look nice and cool and kind of part of the engine bay. So, and then you see the killer glass tucked down here as well. So this car definitely has been a transformation. It's pretty interesting because when we first met Josh, you know, he said he wanted to do a few things to the car but keep it stock. You know, he didn't want to go all out, and now it's pretty much balls to the wall a couple of years later. So, you know, Fastest Garage also did a great job on these custom one-on-one headlights. With a lot of custom touches done to it. So still with the same carbon fiber thing, we have the carbon fiber double lip up front, bumper panel as well, and so pretty much a cool build. You know, my man's going for it all today, so they're getting it, as I say, they're getting the tune right. Gonna get ready to send it down the track. But I wanted to give my man some coverage, and you know, we're out here supporting, and we're gonna keep going and, you know, keep progressing with this build and a lot of our other ones, and we'll see kind of what he does. So y'all stay tuned. So as you can see, he has an ice box in here, so he just put the ice in there to cool the car down. And so he's getting ready to run. Let's do it. Also, Chris Bradley bought this Demon out. This Demon actually does wheelies. Ran a low 8-second pass today.
By quick 8. The cutters 0-3. tower fleet. Owen Priest, Frank Perez, Travis.
No, I said man hater. Look at that. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. There you go. Oh, baby. Baby. The bags on them 24s. Those are more like 14. I know. I'm exaggerated, bro. You know. You should have known me, bro. Yeah, air ride on 14. Like that. Hey, motherfucker be tripping. He needs to go over there.
So my main explosive cat is getting ready to hit the track. Got the tune dialed in. Got everything in order. The car's cooled off. Got the ice in there. So we're gonna see if he's gonna get his 8-second pass. So we're coming up to the staging lane. Once again, we're at Houston Raceway Park, Houston, Texas. Quick 30 event. Texas Speed Syndicate. Let's get it.
Travis Thompson, Bryce, you don't have to come up. Josh Passman and Shannon McDougal to the tower, please. Shannon McDougal, Josh Passman, Travis Thompson, Daniel Gomez, David Espinosa.
All right, so my man Explosive just made a 9.1 second pass in the quarter mile. You know, he did exactly what he came to do as far as getting the car down in, and so the next time he makes a pass, I'm sure he'll be able to get that 8-second run. We do have another event that we're about to head to, so I'm gonna have to tap out and let my man hold it down from here, but you know, I definitely wish him much success. But I appreciate y'all watching, tuning in, you know, checking out what we got going on. Once again, it's Sunday Fun Day. We just out having fun. And hey, we'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.